Welcome back to Couch Collectibles. Hope you guys are having an awesome day as always. Today just went to some yard sales, picked up some baseball cards and some coins. Some of them paid pretty much what they're worth, just book fillers basically, fill up my book. Barber $50, Barber quarters. Picked up a Morgan dollar for 55 bucks, basically what it's worth, but I said heck, why not? Another Morgan dollar needed from a book, 1898 O, 40 bucks. 1918 S. Walking Liberty $50, needed those dates. Picked these ones up from eBay. Some Liberty Head nickels, some Buffalo nickels, and some other Mercury dimes and Walking Liberty $50. Another V nickel there. So a lot of Barber quarters. Going to start that collection, get that collection rolling out a little bit. So just wanted to update you guys with a pretty quick video. Just like I said, Barber halves, Barber quarters, Morgan dollars, Walking Liberty halves, Liberty and Buffalo nickels, and some Mercury dimes. Now, I picked up these sports cards. It's kind of worth it because, 18 bucks, whatever. I don't want to beat him down on prices. If you find the Michael Jordan card in here and get it graded, it's going to be worth a lot more than 18 bucks. Same thing with this. You're looking for one specific card, and the same thing with this, one specific card. And then I just bought these for fun. Maybe we'll open them up on video or something like that, see what we can find. Oh, whoa, those are some lottery tickets that I'll be scratching on the other channel, Couch Casino, so look that up on YouTube. I got a couple coins here that I'm going to show you that is in my collection. Now, these are super rare. This is a 1942 Mercury Dime graded by NGC at a VF25, and it has the 2 over the 1 on the date. So 42 over the 4 and the 1. All right, so let's look in here. Very, very visible. You have the 2 over the 1. You see that there, and the 4 over the 4. Very, very nice. Love this coin. Gonna do something special with that coin. Also got the 1984 Double Die Obverse graded at a Mint State 66 Red by PCGS. What you want to look for on this coin is doubling on the ear. So check all your 1984 pennies out there. Look at that doubled ear. Very, very noticeable. That is a nice double die. So always check your 1984 Lincoln cents. From a distance, can't really tell, right? Unless you're really paying attention. A lot of people don't really think to look at 1984 pennies. So something that, more modern coin to always look out for. Man, I got this Easy Bake Oven from the last yard sale. All this other stuff to sell. So gonna get the eBay shop rocking. CouchCollectibles.com is where a lot of coins will be. Most of this is for my personal collection. I'm going to add in and fill up my books. And then we'll open up some cards and see if we can find the good ones in there. So I just put the Liberty Head nickels in. All I need is the 1912S. They only made 238,000 of those, super rare. And the 1885 and 1886. I have these 3 on the way. Those are pretty common. But other than that, just 85, 86, and 1912S, and we're complete. I also just threw 3 Walking Liberty $50 in there. 1918S, 23S, and 28S. So, it's looking good. It's getting there. We're going to complete it one day. Alright, so for the Buffalo nickels, just added some Buffalo nickels. We only need the different varieties for the 13, and then the 15S and 17S. Everything on that page, else on that page, is complete. On this page, we only need the 21S and 26S, and that's complete. And then this page is complete. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Buffalo nickels, and the Buffalo nickel collection is finished. Just added in the 1921. All we need is the 21D and the 16D, super rare. Actually, I think Brian Hooper said he might send a 21D, so we might be down to only one coin, the 16D. All these other 3 coins I have right here, 27, 28, and 29D. I'm about to put those in. And then, let's see. Already got the 42 with the 2 over the 1. Actually, is mine a D mint mark? No, mine's the no mint mark, so I might need the D mint mark. And then, Micro S 1945. I might have that. I have to double check. So, not many left there. Really, only 1 coin left to go is the 16D. If you want to, just count that I have all the dates. But yeah, looking good. Happy with the collection. Almost complete. I really need to sell some stuff, guys. Look at this. I'm going to start getting some cards graded and selling some of this stuff. I already bought some of these, like from some guy that wanted to get rid of some cards. So LeBron card, when he was in high school, Sports Illustrated, Michael Jordan, all these cards. I need to get some of them graded and sold. And I just got a ridiculous amount of stuff, guys. I mean, it's kind of getting out of hand, ain't it? I got to sell some of this stuff so I can buy some more coins for my collection. This card here, John Cena, without it being signed, is going for like hundreds of dollars in specific conditions. So I might throw that online. I'm not really attached to it, you know, emotionally or anything. So I might sell that one, sell some other cards. I got a lot of stuff I need to get rid of. We got Pokemon cards, signed cards. Most of these I got in person, these autographs. And then of course we pulled these from boxes. But now it's getting so hard you can't even buy sports cards because everyone goes at 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning and buys them all up. But those are what I got the last couple years out of boxes. Some of these wrestlers going to be getting rid of, you know, keep the ones that are kind of sentimental to me. And then the rest of the stuff, I don't really need all this, right? And one day I'm going to buy a bigger house and probably rent this house out. And, you know, I'll have like a downstairs area where I can put all this stuff in. And maybe we'll consolidate and get rid of stuff that I don't really need. I don't really need all those, right? Do I need all those? I don't know. This collectible room is getting crazy, guys. The coin collection is getting crazier. So, thank you guys so much for watching this one. Not going to disappear this time, but this is where I disappear. See you guys in the next one.